Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Louisa. There's nothing like a refreshing glass of cold lemonade on a cold winter day. When I see lemonade, I usually think of warmer climates, warmer temperatures. But this month, Bag & Bead Box wanted to challenge us by sending us some adorable citrus-themed beads. And you know what? When life gives you lemons, make beautiful jewelry. That's what I say. So I cannot wait to show you this month's creations. So let me go ahead, turn my camera around, and we'll get busy. You're looking at necklace number 1, and by the way, I made a total of 7 necklaces, and I wanted to show you my Valentine's necklace first. It's February, and so I wanted to make something that's romantic, and I made this gorgeous 2-tier necklace with heart focals. As you can see, there's a metal heart at the bottom, and then a Millefiori heart on the upper tier. I used the 6mm lemon meringue agate beads as well, and the large green glass beads that came with the collection this month. I also used those gorgeous matte striped crystal round beads in the lemon chiffon color, and the daisy spaces, I grouped them in groups of 3. And then to finish the necklace, I used some silver colored 8/0 beads and one of the toggles that came with the collection this month. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this one. And here's necklace number 2. I'm not going to lie to you, there were some aspects of this month's subscription that were challenging and some that were easy. And this large yellow agate pendant was challenging mainly because of the size. I had a lot of space to work on, so I thought I would do some wire work, and I decided to do a lemon tree. It's not a tree of life, it's a lemon tree. And I decided to use some of my own collection, some of the beads from my own collection, the 4mm beads in a yellow and greenish color. And then I also used the gorgeous agate English cut faceted round beads along with the Malaysia jade beads along the necklace itself. And I had some leaf spaces from previous collections. And yeah, this is how it came out. I thought this one was pretty cute. I finished with some 8/0 seed beads at the top and another one of the toggle clasps, and this is the finished product. And here's necklace number 3. Now, if you've watched one of my previous videos on the Amazonite teardrop necklace, you will recognize this design. I decided to do this necklace to show everybody how it can be done with different kinds of beads. A lot of people were upset because those teardrop Amazonite beads were sold out. So I wanted to show everybody how it's possible to, just get out of your comfort zone, break out different beads, and try the same design with different beads. So that's what I did with this one. And I used those gorgeous polymer clay lemon slice beads. I thought they were so cute, along with the Millefiori beads, and then the large 10mm opaque green glass beads as well. And yeah, so I was pretty pleased with this one. I finished it with some chain at the top and a toggle clasp, and here's how it turned out. And here's necklace number 4. For this necklace, I decided to do a Y style necklace, and I wanted it to be asymmetrical with some dangles at the bottom. And the necklace itself is about 16 inches. The charms and the dangles are about 3 inches. But it looks really gorgeous on, and I wanted to use one of those beautiful triple leaf drops. I used it as a connector, as you can see, along with one of the lemon slice beads and the Never Give Up charm. And then I also used some beads from my own collection, including one that's like a leaf shape. And I wanted to use the large 10mm yellow bead that came with this month's subscription. And yeah, some chain and a toggle at the top, and this is the finished product. Now this is actually one of 3 necklaces that I made separately, but I made them so that they coordinate and you can wear them as a layered look. So I wanted to show you this one first. This is the shorter one of the three. So I'm going to show you the other two. They're a little bit longer than this one. And initially I didn't want to put them all together in one set. I wanted them separate so that people have the choice of wearing them separately or together. But yeah, this is a part of a layered look, and I'll show you that next. And here's necklace number 5. Now this is actually a very long necklace. This is the longer one out of the three that coordinate together. This one's about 28 inches. And as you can see, I decided to use a whole bunch of charms. So I used pretty much one of each of the beads, or a couple of each of the beads, along with some beads from my own collection, some pressed glass beads, a Millefiori heart, the lemon slices, a couple of crackle beads that I had in my collection, and those gorgeous matte rondelles that came with this month, and some chain. And yeah, so this is a very, very long necklace, and it goes perfectly with the previous one, and I will show you how they look together in a few moments. There is a third one, a medium length necklace that I want to show you as well. Here's necklace number 6. This is the medium-sized necklace that I was telling you about. It's about 22 inches long, and as you can see, it's made up of 5 different components. I used some leaf beads. I think they're pressed glass from my own collection, and then a center bead in a mottled greenish color, along with the 6mm agate beads and the beautiful 10mm lampwork beads in the yellow color. Then I also used some large jump rings in between the components to give it a more whimsical and airy look, and then some chain at the top and a lobster clasp. And here are the two necklaces together, the 28-inch necklace and the 22-inch necklace. I think they look really great together. And I wanted to do them separately just because I don't want someone to feel obligated to wear a double layer if they don't feel like it. You know, it all depends on what kind of outfit and what kind of event you're going to. And here's a picture of the 3 necklaces together. As you can see, they make a beautiful layered look. And I like the idea that you can wear 1, 2, or all 3, depending on the occasion. They actually look better on than they do in this picture on this board. But I wanted to show them to you on the board so that you can get a detailed look at all 3 necklaces. And here's the final necklace, necklace number 7. And I absolutely love this one. I think this is probably my favorite out of the 7 necklaces. As you can see, I used the triple leaf drops, which I used as connectors. I simply linked them with some jump rings. And then I attached a couple of charms, some leaf charms and some pressed glass charms, as well as the Never Give Up charm. And yeah, I used the lemon slices because I wanted to continue the citrus theme. And then some chain at the top and a lobster clasp and an extender, and I'm very, very pleased with the way this one came out. I definitely want to wear this one. I don't think I'm going to sell this one, to be honest, because this is my favorite. It's actually a choker length. I believe it's about 15 or 16 inches, and it fits really nicely, and it sits right above the collarbone. And as you can see, I made 3 adorable pairs of earrings. I used lampwork beads on one of them. I used the Millefiori hearts on another one. And then, of course, the lemon slices and some leaf charms. And yeah, I just love these earrings. They're just absolutely adorable. And they're very summery, very fresh looking. I just love the colors, and they look so nice with all of the necklaces. And last but not least are my bracelets. I made 4 bracelets. This first one is made up of wide components, as you can see, using the Malaysia jade and the yellow agate beads, and a toggle clasp and the Never Give Up charm. and one little lemon slice. I thought the one slice just looked adorable in this bracelet. And then I made 3 stretch bracelets, and I just pretty much, tried to use the leftover beads. I still have some leftover beads, believe it or not. But yeah, I wanted to make these 3, and of course they look adorable as a set. Yeah, they're very comfortable. I love stretch bracelets because you don't have to worry about clasps, and they're just so easy and convenient to wear. So that's the full collection. I hope you liked it. I hope I've inspired you. Please stick around because I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick lineup of all the things that I made, and I'll also model one of the pieces for you at the end of the video. Well, I've got my statement necklace on, I've got something yellow, and I just love the little lemon slices. They're so adorable and they go so well with this top, and I'm ready for warmer climates. And you know what? I'm going to go back to drinking my delicious lemonade. So anyway, guys, I hope you had fun today. I hope I've inspired you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.